up, YouTube? It's King of Visuals back with another video. I hope y'all are doing good. I hope y'all are healthy. I hope y'all are happy because I am. And if I am, I hope y'all are too. You know, Ramadan has ended and I'm going to be back on the grind with the videos. I took quite a month off to reconnect with myself and on different levels, spiritually, mentally, psychologically, and I hope that you guys did too. In today's video, guys, I wanted to show you a quick tool that is a game changer inside of Lightroom. For those of you who don't know how to use the search tool inside of Lightroom, I'm going to show you a couple of techniques that are pretty powerful if you have thousands of pictures inside of Lightroom and you would like to sort them or you would like to find a certain picture. So without further ado, guys, let's hop right into Lightroom and unpack the magic. Okay, so here we are inside of Lightroom. Now it's desktop because this tool is much more powerful on desktop than on mobile. But the options that I'm going to show you guys today are pretty limited because the search tool, I can make tens of videos about it, about how you can use it and how you can enhance your workflow with it. But for today, I'm going to show you 3 examples. Now, for the first one, I wanted to look at these pictures of my friend where we were in the forest and we took some portraits of him. The second one, I wanted to do it on sunsets because obviously I have a lot of sunset pictures in my library and I wanted to sort them out to show you how this tool is really powerful. And on the third one, I wanted to show you on, let's say, car photos, like this car from my friend's car that we took pictures of. I wanted to show you how this one can enhance your workflow for everything you have in editing pictures. So let's start. Let's look at the top. And as you can see, you have camera settings, metadata. Those are the keywords based on what you can base your search. But for now, we are going to start with portrait. Let's pick portrait, as you can see, and give it a couple of seconds. Now you can see that Lightroom pulls out all the portraits that I have in my library. And let's give another more specific keyword and let's call it forest, as we were looking for the other ones. And as you can see, the search tool is based on a artificial intelligence that analyzes your picture to find your desired results. And as you can see, we have here results based on the keywords that I had. Now, let's try it out for sunsets. As you can see, and here you have Lightroom listing all of my sunsets that are in my library. Pretty amazing, right? Now, except for this one, like you can see, this is my PC setup that it listed in the results, which is not the desired result, but it's a pretty powerful tool, not to be underestimated and really to be used in everything you guys can do. Let's even refine our research. Let's exclude the sunsets that don't have the color blue in it. And let's put the keyword of the color red in it. And as you can see, red, you can see it even narrows down. To some extent, it's not really accurate like this one and this one. But don't forget, those are edited pictures. Like, for example, if you're going to look at this picture, this is an edited picture. So what it bases its research on is the base image, not the edited image. And if we are going to list, for example, edited, you can see, yes, no, we do yes. You can see that it lists all the edited images. Let's try the no, and you will see that normally it should, oh, there is a black hole, as you can see. Wait, oh, see, I did no, but I forgot the edited. Now it gives you the choice of picking up the no. As you can see, the it lists all the sunsets that were not edited. Now let's remove all the parameters that we put on, and let's try, like we said, for the last one, cars. As you can see, it lists every picture that has a car in it. Now for this picture, for example, it listed the cars that are in. Now the cars are not the main subject in this picture, but you get my point and you get where I want to point out. Now, as you guys can see, this is a pretty powerful tool to be certainly used in your workflow. Don't forget, this is a tool that has been around quite a while, but has been perfected during the last updates of Lightroom. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to leave the thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you use this tool in your future workflow. Even for beginners, people who don't even know anything about Lightroom, let me know if those videos are helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas, like what type of videos you would like to see next in your on my YouTube channel, my bad. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much to all those who subscribed. We are growing slowly, but we are growing, and I like it. And honestly, it means the world to me, guys, to be able to make videos. Don't forget to share them with friends and family. And see you in the next videos, guys. Peace out.